Now that I'd updated my title block by fixing the properties of the part, I'll fit the sheet to the screen. I want to add the balloon items and the bill of materials. To add balloon items, from the annotation ribbon, I can select auto balloon or I can manually balloon. I'm going to manually balloon these. So I'll select balloon. Here I can set up how I want the balloons to be, what should be in the balloon. I'm going to accept all the defaults. Then I'll come out and I'll click on my part, move over to place the balloon. So this item number here will be for the entire subassembly. So I'll right click to accept these, and I've added my balloons. This item number 6 is because of the items in this assembly add up to 4. In a moment, this will correct itself. So now that I've auto ballooned them, the next thing I want to do is arrange the balloons so that they look a little nicer. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to start a magnetic line. I'm going to click to start it, and notice as I drag past a balloon item, it'll hop to that magnetic line. And now they're all neatly aligned to the line. Now click to place it, and I can move it around. I can make it vertical. I'll click over here, press escape, I'll stop the magnetic line. If I select the balloon item, it'll reappear. If I don't want something on the line, I can drag it off. Notice how the balloon items respace. I'll drag this back on, and I'll say OK. So we only see the magnetic line when an item is selected. Now SolidWorks is going to follow the standard, and because I put this on a face, it put a dot here. If I'd rather it be an arrow, I'll just select this balloon, and then click and hold on this dot and drag it to a part edge. As soon as I release it, it will change to the arrow. To set it back, again, I'll select this extension, click on the end, drag and drop it, and now it's back to the dot. My next step is to add the bill of materials. So from the tables drop-down menu, I'll select bill of materials. It's going to ask me to select a view. I'll select the view I ballooned, the exploded view. I'm just going to accept all the defaults for the bill of materials, say OK, and I'll lock it up here. So all the descriptions have populated, the quantities here, the part numbers, and this is going to behave like any Excel table. If I want these items all centered, I can choose to center justify them. If I want the heading across the bottom, I can come over here and tell it to move the heading to the bottom, or I can move it back to the top. Double check everything's good. This is now item number 2, which is the subassembly. And this is the third item, which is my screw. It tells me I have 2 of them. I'm happy with this. So I'm going to save my work. In the next video, I'm going to add a sheet showing the 3 different sizes of the PU50 part. The PU50, the PU60, and the PU70.